The LCM and HCF of two rational numbers are equal, then the number must be equal. Okay, we can get these LCM and HCF same when we have the numbers same. If one zero of the quadratic polynomial is reciprocal of the other zero, what happens here? Okay, let us just see what happens here exactly. One of the zero is, so can we take this as product of the zeros? What is product of zeros? Alpha into beta. Instead of beta, it is reciprocal of the other. So instead of beta, I'm going to take 1 by alpha, which is C by A. So alpha gets cancelled. We have 1 is equal to C by A. So if I substitute, what is C by A? C is 6k by A is k square plus 9. So 6k divided by k square plus 9 is equal to 1. Or we can say k square plus 9 minus 6k is equal to 0. So let me do it once again. K square plus 9 is equal to 6k. Let us do this. Then we will take 6k, and to this side it becomes minus 6k, then plus 9 is equal to 0. This is in the format of a square minus 2ab plus b square, which is k minus 3 whole square. K square, a square, 3 square means 9, 2ab, 2 into 3 into k, 6k is equal to 0. 0 and root get cancelled. K minus 3 is equal to 0, k is equal to 3. Option C is the right answer. Let's go to the next question. If the equation x square plus 6x plus k is equal to 0 has real and distinct roots, what is the condition for real and distinct roots? It is b square minus 4ac must be greater than 0. Okay. Or can we say 0 must be less than b square minus 4ac? Let us substitute the values. What is b square? B is 6, so 36. B square is 36. Minus 4 into a is 1. So can we say 36 is less than 4k, or if I send this 4k this side, it becomes 4k less than 36. Or can we say k less than 36 by 4, which is 9. Okay, so k must be less than 9, which is option A. Correct, k is less than 9. Let us substitute one value and check. Let me substitute for this equation one value less than 9. 8 I will substitute. So can I say 36 minus 4 into 8? So 36 minus 32, which is 4, which is definitely greater than 0. Okay. So if I substitute 6, this becomes 36 minus 4 into 6, 24, which is 12. 12 is greater than 0. So k less than 9 is the correct answer. The ratio of LCM and HCF of least composite number. What is the least composite number? 4. And least prime number is 2. What is the LCM? LCM for both of them is 4. And what is the HCF for both of them? It is 2. 4 by 2, or can we say 2 by 1, or 2 is to 1. Option B is the correct answer. It is given that triangle XYZ is is similar to triangle PQRL. So let us draw the triangle. XYZ is similar to triangle PQR. XY is given 5, XZ is given 7, QR is given 15, PQ is given 12. We have to find the sum of the remaining sides of the triangle. So what is the remaining side here? Let me take it as A, and here I will take it as B. Okay. So let us take any corresponding side. So I will take this side. XY is 5 by 12. I will take. So I will take like this. 5 by 12 is equal to this A by 15. A by 15. 15 I will send this side. This becomes 5 into 15 by 12. Okay, I'll keep A here itself as it is. So here I'll say 3 4s are 3 5s are. So 5 into 5, 25 by 4. So I get 25 by 4. This is for A. Okay, you can calculate here itself or we can do it later. So now we'll come to this side. This side we get 12 by 5 is equal to B by 7. Remember this side 12 by 5 corresponding to then B by 7. So B is equal to 12 into 7 by 5 is equal to B. So this is 84 by 5. I get B. Now they want us to calculate the sum. A plus B is equal to 25 by 4 plus 84 by 5. If you want, you can do decimals here itself and then finally add. Else you can do like this. So this is 20. LCM is 20. 4 into 5. 5 into 25. So 125 plus 4 into 84. 4 into 8 is 320 plus 16, 336. So 125 plus 336. 330 plus 20, 350, 361, 461 by 20. I'll divide it by 2. So this becomes 2 2s are 2 3s are 0.05. 23.05, which is option A is the correct answer. Okay. Let's move. The line segment joining the points is divided by x-axis in the ratio. Since they are telling x-axis, we will use section formula here. We will use for y because y will be 0. So we will use for y coordinate. So this one will be m1 into y2 plus m2 into y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Remember, if they ask you that it is divided by x-axis, it means y is equal to 0. Using y ordinate will become easy. So y is 0. I will take m1 into what is y2 here? 6. m1 into 6 plus m2 into what is y1? Minus 3. Minus 3 divided by m1 plus m2. m1 plus m2 into 0 becomes 0. 6 into m1, 6 m1 minus 3 into plus m2 becomes minus 3 m2. I will send minus 3 m2 this side becomes plus 3 m2 is equal to 6 m1. I want m1 by m2. I'll keep m1 here, bring m2 from that side. So 3 will remain here, 6 will go this side. So 3 is to 6 is 1 by 2 or 1 is to 2. So option A is the correct answer. Value of sine 30 plus cos 30. Sine 30 is 1 by 2 plus cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Minus they are asking. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So since we have same terms, they both get cancelled. Option B 0 is the answer. Next one. If the distance of the point from x-axis, so let us draw a graph, from x-axis is 4a. So here you say 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So it will be here somewhere here. So this coordinate is 4 comma a. So 4 is the distance. Is half its distance from the y-axis. From the y-axis, half the distance. Then a is equal to what? Okay. So if this is 4, this will be 2. That's it, simple. If this distance is 4, this distance will be 2. So option C 2 is the correct answer. Why is 2? Because from the x-axis is what? How much distance here? This one is half the distance from the y-axis. So it will be 2. Let's move to the next one. In the given figure, area of the segment, since we see 90 degree, we know that theta by 360 into pi r square. This is the formula, correct? Area of the sector. So what is the sector here? Theta is 90 degree. So 90 by 360, which is 1 by 4 into pi r square. But here, this area of the segment is what they're asking. They're asking the segment, which means we have to remove this triangle, area of the triangle. What is the area of triangle here? Half into base, which is r, into height also r. So half into r square we have to remove. So we will remove 1 by 4 pi r square minus 1 by 2 r square. What is common here? We can take out 1 by 4 because everywhere they have taken r square by 4. We will also take out r square by 4. If we take out r square by 4, what remains here? Pi remains here. Minus what remains here? 2 will remain here. Because when you cross multiply again, pi into r square become pi r square by 4. This 2 by 4 becomes 1 by 2. So r square by 4 into pi minus 2 is the correct answer. Last question, 10th question, sorry. Secant theta into 1 minus sin theta. So let us keep secant theta as of now as it is into 1 minus sin theta into this we will do. Secant theta is 1 by cos theta plus tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. So this part we will simplify. This becomes cos theta and the numerator it becomes 1 plus sin theta. Here we already have 1 minus sin theta. So 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta becomes 1 minus sin square theta divided by cos theta. Here we already have secant theta. Let us keep it as it is. This is there. This is there. Here 1 minus sin square theta is what? Cos square theta. So this is cos square theta by cos theta into, we already have this secant theta. I am writing this secant theta here. Secant theta means 1 by cos theta. So can we say we get 1 by cos theta into cos theta whole square, and cos theta square gets cancelled. We get 1 as the answer. Option C, 1 is the correct answer.